beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. I just got home and found this sitting on my doorstep. So let's go ahead and open it and see what they sent out this month. The first thing I see is something from Iconic London. This looks like lip gloss. It says, oh, it says the cats are fighting. Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. High shine formula infused with biomimetic peptide. Said no one ever. Which helps support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. MSRP $26. I'll pay $26 for a Pat McGrath gloss or for a Marc Jacobs. I don't know about this. Ooh, the applicator is really flimsy. Okay, you know what? For 26 bucks, it shouldn't go all over the place like that. But I will say, slightly minty scent and kind of that tingly feeling on the lips, which is where I guess it gets plump power from. But I think it looks like a really nice shade. So, okay, I'm happy with that one. Next, all right, this is Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Diamond Dust. So that looks like a very pretty highlighter. It says this innovative hybrid texture applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color that can be swept all over the face. Yeah, I don't think so. For a lit from within glow. A fresh 3D design captures the look of our favorite Italian desserts and lasts until the very last application. Okay, it does seem to be a little pearlescent. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and... Oh yeah. All right, is that showing up? I never know until I check this after I shoot, but even on the swatched finger there, it reminds me a lot of Mother of Pearl. Let's see here. Oh goodness, wow. Yeah, that is, that's considerably more glowy than I usually go. Okay, moving on to Touch in Soul. Let's get this open. Glassy Skin Balm. What does it say about that? Ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. $32. So, I don't know if this is like skincare or if that's what it looks like on the inside. So I don't know if that's skincare or what exactly that is. Beauty blender from Illuminati, an edgeless reusable high definition cosmetic sponge applicator, MSRP $21. No, I do not spend $21 on beauty blenders, but it feels like it's got the right amount of density. Okay, can always use another beauty blender, I guess. And last but not least, from Dose of Colors, Baked Browns. A 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette, MSRP $32. And, oh, there you go. And there's a small 2-ended brush in here, which I kind of like. And those look like nice shades. They do look like they're a little bit on the warmer side, which makes me happy. And that is it in this month's Boxycharm. Thanks so much for joining me and have a really fantastic day.